I just picked up my Porsche in Toronto and we are driving at 4,700 kilometers back to Vancouver. That's about 2,300 freedom miles for you folks down south. You don't have to do the conversion yourself, I did it for you. And it's July 4th. You're welcome. Why are we taking the wheels off when I picked up my car less than an hour ago? Great question, thank you for asking. Because they could be cleaner. I know. We're gonna drive at 4,700 kilometers across the country. The brake dust, the bugs, she's gonna get filthy. I don't care. She's gonna look real good before we leave. So what are we doing to these wheels? First of all, cleaning them. We're gonna spray them down with a little bit of wheel cleaner, some acetone to get all the little thingy, I don't know what you call that, but it's like the little stuff, the glue, whatnot from the old wheel weights, whatever the fuck you wanna call it. We're taking that shit off. Most things can be fixed with duct tape, spray paint, or crazy glue. Today's choice, spray paint. My wheel bolts were looking a little rusty. We don't like that. No rust up in here, please. We're painting them black. A little anti-seize. We just do this every time the wheels come off. I don't actually know why we do this. My dad just told me to. Since we have the wheels off already, we may as well do a little deep cleanup in there. So spraying it down, just some all-purpose cleaner. It's pretty simple, straightforward, easy peasy. We're hitting the wheels with a little bit of polish just to make them extra shiny, and then we're gonna follow that up with a ceramic coat. This is just gonna make them a lot easier to clean, protect them a little bit on our drive, and make my future self when I have to clean the brake dust off of these so much happier. Thank you. That's to me in the future. Yeah. Wheels go back on and it's time for a car wash. I know, you just picked up the car. It should be clean already, you would think. However, we're gonna paint correct her. So, we want the surface to be as clean as possible. We're gonna hit with some polish, paint correct the heck out of it. Not that it was bad, but you know, it makes it nice and shiny, makes my paint look really good, and it's really important for the next step. Preventative measures. We are getting the full front end PPF'd as well as the mirrors and the rear impact zones. Brandon is gonna be doing it. He's the best. I love him. Thank you so much for squeezing me in to do this. Safe to say this car is sufficiently clean. Now let's drive it across the country. See you in the next one.